thus befitting that we are gathered here this year, when the country is celebrating 100 years since Umama Sulu, it would have been 100 years. And true to the gain of our struggle and the generation of women that is us, the generation that needs to pick up from where Umama Sisulu left off, from that fearlessness, from that freedom fighters that they were, Patitina, picking up from being human, but also being abantu abahloniphayo, nabazithobayo, nabazehlisayo, uma ngabe singabantu abasebenza nabantu. And as we reflect on the years of Umama Sulu, it is fitting also to acknowledge that many important gains that have been made to empower women in our municipalities range from a lot of programs esibe nawo. And the priority yethu njengomnyango ukuthi yes, we do have programs as ama-councillors wonke awesifazane nawesilisa, kodwa ngaphezu kwalokho siphinde sibe nalama programs abhekene ngqo nomama, njengoba sishilo izolo ukuthi omama banalomthwalo ongaphezu komthwalo abantu besilisa esisebenza nawo abanawo. And over years, the struggles that we have waged for those that are still confronting us requires us to stand and be counted. And Umam Nkosazane ukhulume kakhulu la ngokuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi siyazi ukuthi abantu besifazane abaningi bethu nami nje ngimi la I would not have been standing here if it was not for many of you abangabantu besifazane abangisupportile, abangithandile nabangithandayo namanje. And ngiyafisa ukubonga lokho. Ngiyafisa ukuthi nikwazi lokho ukuthi isupport yenu yenza ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukuqhubekela phambili, ngoba it's not easy ukusebenzela umphakathi njengoba nanazi. And platforms like these ones where we remember the freedom fighters, Harriet, who was a civil rights leader and a liberation icon, and he's often quoted as having said that she freed thousands of slaves but could not have freed more if only they have known that they are free as slaves. And while we know that women are free as women, we are still faced with many challenges in asserting ourselves in this unequal world. And we often fall into the prison of self-doubt living issue. Ukuthi ngendlela ogxilwa ngayo, ngendlela obukwa ngayo, ngendlela ongasupportwa ngayo njengomuntu wesifazane, sometimes ugcina sewuzidoubt nawe, ungasaboni ukubaluleka, ungasaboni amandla anawo uNkulunkulu akuphe wona. So as women, there are many things in our society that instill self-doubt. That is why I want us today ukuthi nginikeze nje lamazwi enizowalalela, enizohamba nawo, enizothi noma ubone ukuthi iyehla igauge, kodwa ukhumbule lamazwi engizonishiya wona ukuthi a positive self-image is something that we must all fight to attain. By having it, we remove from our enemies a weapon that the enemy can use to pull us down. So in my belief, the following points that I want to talk about as traits for positive self-image for women. Okokuqala, ama-traits engifuna ukukhuluma ngawo, that as women, you have to seek respect and not attention. Says what mama? Seek respect and not attention. Umuntu wesifazane never begs for attention. She does not beg to be loved, no matter the circumstances to her, but you seek respect and you seek to be valued. Okunye okubalekile ukuthi as a woman seeks to lift other people. She also radiates that positive image eyenza abanye abantu bayibone nabo ukubaleka kwabo. So njengama women leaders here, we need to look at ourselves and see ukuthi how do we seek to have that positive image ephakamisa omunye umuntu wesifazane ebamba omunye umuntu wesifazane, because it is very cold up there, as I always say. As a woman as well, noma sidla asilalelana ukuthi you have to be able to be a crying shoulder for omunye umuntu wesifazane. A woman also isn't afraid or ashamed to cry, because siyazi ukuthi njengabantu njengomama uma kufanele sikhale kufanele sikhale. Siyakhala masijabulile, siyakhala masidabukile, siyakhala futhi makwenzeke izinto ezisimangazayo. So ngesinye isikhathi ukukhala kuyenza ukuthi kube khona lelukuluku leli elehlayo. Noma ngabe awukhali phakathi kwabantu, ngiyazi ukuthi isikhathi esiningi ukuthola indawo okufanele ukuthi uyocasha kulona ikhona, ufike sewuthi ngixhophekile noma nje ngine-sinus, kanti ubukhala njengomama. But she's also umama, is also full of forgiveness, not revenge. She always frees her mind from revenge, because ayikho into enzima bakithi njengokubamba igqubu. Uma ubambe igqubu akubi lo muntu ombambela igqubu, kodwa wena ngoba lento isukila kuwena ngaphakathi. Uthola ukuthi lo muntu lo mbambela igqubu uqhubeka nempilo yakhe, uyazenzela noma yini ayenzayo, kodwa wena unalento ekubambile ekwenza ukuthi ungaphumeleli noma ungaqhubekeli phambili. So we also need to understand as women ukuthi we need to free ourselves from revenge. Women also, we need to understand that we should never compare ourselves to omunye, or we should also always be fearful of God, because siyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu njengabantu besifazane usithanda kangakanani. Okunye engibona ukuthi ngizokushare nani in improving a person, ukuthi improving ourselves and investing in ourselves, it is a lifelong matter and a program that we should always seek to do as women. As a department yaka-Proctor, sisupporta abantu besifazane ngama-programs anjengalawa we-self-development, assertiveness, nakho konke lokho sikwenzayo. Kodwa more than anything else, we wish as well ukuthi emphefumulweni yethu sibe nakho ukuthula, because in silence there is goldness. Okunye engifisayo ukuthi it is our desire to see umuntu wesifazane succeeding, to see umuntu wesifazane enza umahluko empilweni zabantu bakithi. It is also our desire ukubona umuntu wesifazane being a good role model, because siyabona isikhathi eziningi ukuthi abantu besifazane kwesinye isikhathi ababi ngama role models kubantu besilisa noma kubantwana babo. So it is our desire ukuthi njengomuntu wesifazane we really do become those good role models. When I get down to issues of being spiritual and being able to find sanctuary in yourself, noma kuwena kulento engaphakathi kuwena ekwaziyo ukuvuselela nento ekwaziyo ukukwakha, ngiyafisa ukuthi ke ngishare with you lamagama engizowashare with you today. Okunye ngifisa ukukusho ukuthi njengomuntu wesifazane kunama tips engifisayo ukuthi sithipisane ngawo lapha namhlanje, that njengomuntu wesifazane, please nurture your vision. Siyezwana, nurture your vision. Iphupho onalo ngawe lakhe lenze ukuthi libe yilento ofuna ukuthi ibe yona. If you don't nurture your vision, If you don't look at yourself every day and see le vision le oyona le ofisa ukuba yona, angeke ukwazi ukuphumelela. Know what you are doing and why you are doing what you are doing. Okunye enfisa ukuthi sikwenze nokuthi sikwazi njengabantu besifazane, love what you do. Follow your passion and love what you do. And let love motivate you. Because uma ngabe wenza into ongenalo uthando, you will not be motivated. Okunye enfisayo okunikumbuzisa khona njengabantu besifazane. Kubalekile ke lokhu, ufuna ukuthi nikukhumbule. Noma usekhaya ukukhumbule. We should stop whining, bantu besifazane. Stop whining. Complainer. Hey, ngoba siya complainer, man. Siya complainer njengabantu besifazane. Siya complainer ukuthi I'm not happy, ngikhuluphele, angikwazi ukwenza ukuthi, angikwazi ukwenza njengalona, bangithandi, namhlanje angizizwa kahle. Stop whining. Stop complaining about yourself. Siyezwana, ngiyajabula ukuthi uyangizwa. Omunye uze athi ngaze ngafa ikhanda. You know, one thing I've learned in life, into oyikhulumayo ngomlomo iba yilento ezokwenzeka. I never in my life, you must never say ngafa isisu, ngafa ikhanda. Oh ngaze ngafa. Do you want to die? Ufuna ukufa? No. Mawuphethwe ikhanda, yes, ila ngiphatha ikhanda. Usangiphatha isisu. But not ngafa. Because you are calling ukufa. Kufa, come to me. You're not a dying type, ne? You're not a dying type, woman. So stop whining and say what you want. Kuluma ngomlomo wako what you want to see happening. And okunye engifisa ukukusho, do not let the negative words have the power over your life. Because kuba khona isikhathi lapho you have all these negative things. What if ngaphumeleli? What if ngingakwazi ukukhuluma? What if ngifika lapha kwenze ukuthi? What if ngifika? Don't do that. Wake up in the morning into yokuqala and thank God ukuthi how amehlo amavulekile. How izwi lami likhona. How Nkosi ngilale ngino blankets. And tell yourself ukuthi this is how my day is going to be. Angizukuvinjwa itraffic, angazi akukho umuntu ozongicasula namhlanje, akukho umuntu ozongivimba endleleni yami, because you have power over your life. So stop whining. Stop whining, because ukukhomplayina nokubukela phansi nokukhuluma izinto ezinegative ziyakwenza ukuthi uspirit sakho nomoya wakho ungavumi, ungakwazi ukuthi uqhubekela phambili. Okunye that I want to tell you as women, as a tip, is that keep it simple. Don't want to force things. Don't struggle. You know, sometimes uNkulunkulu umakafuna ukwenza izinto ufuna ukuthi umnikeze isikhathi sokuthi abe ngoNkulunkulu empilweni yakho. Thina we struggle. Ubambe ufuna ukuba uNkulunkulu kanti uNkulunkulu ufuna umyekele. Let it go. Live it. Let God do his work. Let God do his work. Okwakho is to be still. Because in stillness, you will hear the answer of God. So ngiyashumayeza namhlanje. Don't force yourself where you don't belong. Don't force yourself where you're not wanted. Don't force things to you that don't want you. Because things don't happen. Things don't happen with you. Things happen for you. Says one. Things happen for you. Because kwesinye isikhathi uyavaleka umnyango. Ubona ngazuthi hawavaleka umnyango kusho ukuthi izinto sezingihambela. No. Sometimes umnyango uyavaleka because kuza isikhukhula uNkulunkulu azama ukuthi singakufici lesi sikhukhula. So keep things simple. Don't force yourself. Don't want to kick that door. Just leave that door to close. Because when you look back, God will say, this is your right door, not that one. Because if you keep things simple, you have better things ahead of you. You have better things ahead of you. So let us not want to be what God never created us to be. Be what God made you to be. Just keep it simple. And the other thing, refuse to fail. Refuse to fail. Says one. Refuse to fail. Being wrong does not mean that you have failed. Ne? Making mistake does not mean you failed. You make mistake because we are a human being. But refuse to fail. Be clear about what you want to do. Once you understand what is it that you want to do, forgive where you have to forgive. Let God take control where God must take control. And let things be. And if you let things be, bazakushaya ngapha nangapha, bazokugxeka ngapha nangapha, bazokubuka phansi ngapha nangapha, but refuse to fail. Just keep on standing. Just keep on walking and walk your race. Musukubuka loyana ose umeya ukuthi nami ngifuna ukuba umeya. Nami ngifuna ukuba upremier. No. Your time is coming. Don't want to skip a step. Ungafuna ukujump a step easy. It is not your time. Your time is where you are. Because uNkulunkulu akayenzi mistake. Ukuze omunye ethi sisinde ngeminute. Because every minute uNkulunkulu count. So it is not a mistake. For me, trials will be there. But the trials will be there to make you stronger. Trials will be there to make you a better person. Because uma ngabe ngekho ama-trials in life, we will even forget ukuthi, by the way, we are living in the real world. So I want to say, if you are being simple, if you are being authentic, if you are being clear as a woman, if you stop whining, those things will make you a better and a stronger person than you are. I also want to say, kuthina njengabantu besifazane, hold your clarity. Have clear goals and tick them. Tick your goals every day when you wake up. Don't let anybody confuse you in life. Don't let anybody to pull you down in life. When you must know, this is my goal and this is what I'm going to do to fulfill my goal. Joba ngisho ukuthi be authentic. Iba ilo muntu uNkulunkulu akwenze ukuthi ube uyena. Be yourself. Don't try to imitate abanye abantu. Don't try to be omunye umuntu. Just be true to yourself and your inner self as umuntu wesifazane. Okunye ngifisa ukushare nani ukuthi don't be shy to ask for help. Don't be shy to ask for help. Because ingakho ngesiZulu kuthiwa indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. If kukhona into ongayi-understand, ask somebody else. Because if you do that, you won't fail. Ask somebody else. But also if you need to change. So that you can get where you want to get to. And abantu besifazane, you know, ngesizulu kakhulukazi, ingakho kwakuthiwa into ehlula amadoda yenziwa njani? Iyabikwa. Kwakuthiwa ibikwa kobani? Yayibikwa komama. Because omama have always been known as these very good strategists. Mama are very good strategists. Namba bangamakhosi. Bahlala lapha ya. Thola ukuthi ugungwe induna isiqholo. But she's standing. And you wonder, how does she navigate this? Because mama are strategists by nature. That's the gift uNkulunkulu asinikeze sona. You know how to navigate. You know how to change course. Mawubona ukuthi ayishintshe manje ayizukhamba kanje, you change. But the trick is that you must always speak the words of success in your life. Also okunye okubalekile ngifuna ukushare nani as abantu besifazane. Please, umuntu wesifazane, be always mindful of your words. Be always mindful of your words. Because ukhona ezinye izinto othi usuyikhulumile awusakwazi ukuyicisha. Awusakwazi ukuyicisha. So uma umuntu wesifazane musukhuluma before ucabanga. Cabanga qala before ukhuluma. Even if it means ukwenza kanjalo kuzokuslowa down. But cabanga qala before ukhuluma, before wenza. Because kwesinye isikhathi ziyaphutshuka izinto awusakwazi ukuhlehlisa. Sike sibone nasekhaya. Thola ukuthi sowuyathetha igane njani lena ngiyakubona ukuthi yoba yini mosumdala. Amazwi esiwakhuluma kubantwana bethu amazwi kufanele kube ukwakha. It must be words that heal. It must be words that build. It must be words that makes the future bright. Because your words have got power and they like seeds. Siyayazi angithi mbewu. So amazwi umuntu wesifazane anjengembewu. When you speak success, you will see success. When you speak failure, you will see failure. So we must always remember and be mindful of the words and be mindful wezinto eziphuma la emlonyeni wethu njengabantu besifazane. Okunye that I also want to share with all of us njengabantu besifazane ukuthi abantu besifazane are very creative by nature. They are innovative. And kwesinye isikhathi, people will say things ezibhlungu, eziphatha kabi. But as umuntu wesifazane, kubalulekile ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi don't listen to what people are telling you what you are not. Don't listen to people telling you what you are not. You are what God says you are. And you have what God says you have. Umuntu mangabe kuyinkinga yakhe ukuthi akakwazi ukugqoka ihile elingaka, akakwazi ukuba nengubo enhle. Hey, why is it your problem? It's not my problem. Eh? Because God has blessed you in your time, and it is your blessing. Also, what does she think she is? Of course I am what God says I am. Who does she think she is? So don't be apologetic. You are what God says what you are. You must know what you are doing and be good to yourself at all the time. You know, I will share this with you. Ukuthi sometimes izinto njoba ngisho ukuthi when you stop struggling and relax and let ukuthi uNkulunkulu enze umsebenzi wakhe, uyawenza umsebenzi wakhe empilweni zethu. And mina ngufakazi walokho, and nani ningofakazi balokho. I'll give you one experience abanye abangayazi sengizoyisho nje ngoba phela ngiye ngaba nomkhuhlane last week. I think it was last week or 2 weeks back. I was very sick and dokotela wangifaka esibhedlela. Yimi lo ngibuka into ngasasesibhedlela. I'm like, really, me? Ne energy ngaka? But I just felt, okay, if this is what must happen, let it be. And ngathi kulungile. Makufanele ngihlale esibhedlela, ngitreatwe, it's fine. I'll be treated in the flu, isizwe lami liphelile, energy pelile, stress, yonke into, and I allowed God to kwenza umsebenzi wakhe. But we had planned i-function yabo mama bakaCopter aba more than 1,500 or odd, where besibaqwashisa khona ngesifo somdlavuza, but also motivating them njengomama bakaCopter. From umama oshanelayo owenza itiye bonke to all director HOD bakhona izikhulu zakhona sonke sasihlele endlini sigcwele kanje sibahle. And we had planned that ngangiplanele ukuthi we are going to have a good time njengomama, because sasizokwenza ngoAugust ezinye i-programs zasivimba, but we said no, sizoyenza kodwa. Kodwa when uSathane decided ukuthi at the time fanele ngiyenze ngisesibhedlela, I prayed the day before. Bangibuza bathi sikhansele mem nami abahle sikhansele senze njani umem usesibhedlela sokwenze njani. It's fine, yekeni siqhubekeni. And I prayed ngathi Nkosi, if fanele ngiyenze le function, I will do it. Ngisesibhedlela faka ama drip ngapha nangapha ne-flu. The following day, ngafika udokotela wangihlola wathi no, you are clear. We think it's pneumonia. It was just a serious bronchitis. But I will need you to hambe uye kuleya department or udokotela uzozala a specialist so that bazakwenza physio kuze kuvuleke isifuba. Ngathi no, yimina engizoya khona. Was that not icebo lakaNkulunkulu? esibhedle afona lethatha ingubo zami alethi ingubo fike ezansi ngashintsha ngaphuma bathatha amafala bathi sikufake wheelchair angihambi nge-wheelchair angithi lapha kuleya department lapho siyakhona shintsha ngahamba ngiya ku-specialist ngemoto mina ngifike efunctionini angifake i-coat namanje I still have like bakhona i-dream I still have dream eyayikhona babengaboni bengihaga I was like but it was nice. So I'm just trying to demonstrate to you ukuthi I did not know how I was going to get out of that bed and be part of lama abantu besifazane engibathandayo about 2000 abangilindile abazi ukuthi sithe sizohlangana. But I prayed ngathi if Nkosi kufanele ngiyenze le function ngizoyenza. I did not know ukuthi udokotela uzofika athi hamba uye lapha uyokwenza physio. And that's the only time ngathi ngiyokwenza physio ngaphuma ngahamba ngayokwenza function ngabuya ngangine makeup ngamake-up emotweni mase ngibuya buyela esibhedlela ngawasha ubuso ngingena embedeni and I was like, hey. So I'm trying to demonstrate to you ukuthi ezinye izinto you might not know ukuthi zizokwenzeka kanjani. You might not know how to get out of the situation. But when you get still, when you allow God, God, if you kufanele kube yikho kuzoba yikho. Because if bengathanda ukuthi leya function ngibe khona. But wayenza yena plan yokuthi kuthiwa ngiye ku-physio. I did not even know ukuthi kuzothiwa ngizoya ku-physio. So I'm trying to demonstrate ukuthi it is very important that njengabantu besifazane we are good to ourselves but also we allow God to do umsebenzi wakhe. Singafuna ukupintsha, sifuna ukuphusha, sifuna ukwenza izinto ezingenzeki. Okunye that I want to share with you ukuthi while you are good to yourself but also try to indulge in things that brings pleasure in your life. If you like me, if you must eat chocolates, eat chocolates. If you must eat snowball like me, eat snowball. Okay? If you must go for massage, go for massage. If you must go drink your tea, drink your tea. If you must pop something, pop something. But try and be good to yourself. Indulge sometimes because you do need to nurse this body. You do need to nurse the spirit. Otherwise, you can't give when you don't have anything to give. Indulge. Uthenge nje le cathulo ebizayo. Nami nginaso isicathulo esisodwa esibizayo nje. Ngiyase nami esibizayo nje. Ngathuka nje. Kusicathulo esibizayo kodwa nginaso. Because I just wanted to indulge. Hey? Eat a chocolate, you have to do my calories among it's fine. If it makes you happy, indulge. Be happy. Okay? Because you don't know. Uzotuphuma la nyanga uqhuzuke. Ungasafaka ngaleli hili lokulifisa ukuthi leli hili. Eh? Ungasayithenganga lento oyithandayo. Eh? Because you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So indulge when you have to. Eat that chocolate, eat that cake like me. I eat my cakes, I eat all the rubbish and I don't want to say rubbish food, but it's nice. It makes you feel good. Indulge, it's fine. It's good for you. Because as women, we do need to nurture ourselves. But also, you must know what value and what drives you. Because if you don't know what drives you, you might not be able to kickstart yourself whenever you find yourself down. That's why, as we are here, khona lama CDs esowathola niyawaza ngithi. I hope sebewaqalile ukwadlala abakaqala. And lama CDs are also meant to ukuthi when your guts are down, when we are down, when you're feeling down, but remember lela langa when we are at ICC, when we were having fun, when we were indulging, when we were happy, when we were embracing each other. Sihlangene singabantu besifazane, siqwashisana, sicobelelana ulwazi. You must always value what drives you. And kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi we must do that. And okugcina elistini yami ekade ngithi amathiphu wami lawo engiphila ngawo engifisayo nani ukuthi niphile kuona ngithe lokuqala nurture your vision, elesibili love what you do, elesithathu stop whining, stop complaining, stop blaming everybody, stop cursing, stop revenge, keep it simple. Refuse to fail. Hold to your clarity. Be authentic. Be mindful of your words. Be good to yourself. Indulge. And be clear, because clarity is a gift. So, amazwi owakhulumayo ayakha noma yabhidliza njengomuntu wesifazane. Be self-full sometimes. Yakwazi ukuba self-full. Yakwazi ukuba self-full. Ukuthi ube selfish ngawe. Because isikhathi esiningi we are giving everything to everybody, abantwana, umndeni. But sometimes be self-full. Give to you. Because sometimes nobody's going to give to you except for yourself. Give to you as well. Because when you do that, you will know who you are and you will know the value of yourself as well. Kwesinye isikhathi ezinye izinto esizikhohlayo ukuthi you don't need to be intimidated by trials. God is right there where you thought akekho uNkulunkulu. And uNkulunkulu will make things happen. And sometimes you won't see it coming. Kodwa uzozenza izinto zakhe. Sometimes it's easy to believe ukuthi we have favor when good things are happening to you. Angithi mayizinto ezinhle zenzeka kuwena, yes I'm favored, yes I'm favored, but masingasenzeka izinto ezinhle, I'm cursed, I'm not blessed, bayangizonda, things are not happening. But you must understand that God will cause you to succeed in the middle of trouble. God is not limited to the conditions. He's limited by our own thinking. He's not limited to our conditions. But ithina esimlimitayo uNkulunkulu ukuthi enze umsebenzi wakhe empilweni zethu. You must stop being ordered instead of letting things to disturb you. Ezinye izinto fanele ukuthi ufunde esumuntu wesifazane ukuthi zingangeni kuwena ne, because zizoshiwa izinto zizokwenzeka. Try and let ezinye izinto ukuthi zingangeni. Bazokuthuka bakubukele phansi zenze ukuthi zingangeni. Azifike nje zibounce. Because you can imagine if le inhlamba ngabe ziyamanamathela ngabe sinjani. Ngabe lama disappointment ayanamathela ngabe sinjani. So sometimes you must learn that God orders orders our step, but also God wants us to trust Him for each and every step that we make. As you make that step, trust God. You make that step, trust God. Believe in God, trust God. Do not limit God. So, siyamazi uNkulunkulu enza ama favors in the storm kubantwana baka Israel. And when they are forced with difficulties, sometimes we are forced with obstacles. We are siyakhohlwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu khona noma ngabe izinto zinzima. So we must understand ukuthi the favor of God is always with us. As we go through life's many challenges, as we go through difficult seasons, it's easy to be tired and be weary. But when that weariness comes to you, you have to enjoy the blessings that God has given to you. In the Galatians 6 verse 7, where God encouraging us that let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap the harvest. And if we do give up, uNkulunkulu akafuni ukuthi we must give up. So we need to discover how to trust God ngaso sonke isikhathi. Uthi noma sewukhohliwe imicabango emibi ifika, isuse masishane ngokuthi ukhumbule lamazwi la engizonitshela wona njengamanje. Uma uvuka ekseni ungumuntu wesifazane, ngicela ukhumbule lamazwi engizonitshela wona njengamanje. And ngicela ukuthi siwasho sonke. Siyezwana? Ngicela siwasho sonke. When you wake up in the morning, ugqoka, ugeza, you must always say, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am prosperous. I am successful. I am victorious. I am talented. I am creative. I am wise. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am in shape. I am happy. I am positive. I am passionate about my work. I am strong. I am confident. I am beautiful. I am attractive. I am secured. I am blessed. If every day you wake up, that's what I do. Sometimes, Mangvuga, I play the song that say, cause I'm happy, because I'm attracting happiness. I tell myself I am blessed, because blessing, I'm calling on blessings. You remember what I said? Umlomo wako ukwenza lento uyazala wenza lento ufuna ukuthi yenzeke. There are books that also have helped me. There's a book called The Secret. The Secret. Makwenzeka ube nemali, invest in that book. Because that book iyakufundisa ukuthi into oyishoyo every time. When you look at the pictures labantwana bakho and say, thank you God for labantwana. Thank you God for the money. Thank you God for my house. Thank you God for my car. Sometimes imoto yakho uziqamba igama. Sometimes isitulo sakho siqamba igama. When you're going to sit in your chair, mawuvuka ekseni, hello Grace, usho esitulweni sakho. Or in your car. When you go to your car, you say, Grace, we are going now to work. We must be safe. No traffic. Nobody ozosdisturb namhlanje, akukho umuntu who's going to pull us down. We're not even going to be as still even in traffic. Mawiboni traffic, open loud your music, cause I'm happy in the midst of that traffic. Attract what you want to see happening in your life. So remember, never ukuthi ngafa ikhanda. No, you're not a dying type, and you're not gonna die. Ngafa isisu, yes, iphethe isisu sibhlungu, but you're not gonna die. It's not here to kill you. Iphethe ikhanda. Ngaze ngahlupheka, hey, awukwazi ukuhlupheka. Akhona abantu abahluphekayo leminyango. Awukwazi ukuhlupheka, ngaze ngahlupheka. No. Usahamba ngemoto, ngaze ngahlupheka. Uqokile, ngaze ngahlupheka. Mhlawumbe unetoho, ngaze ngahlupheka. Yes, uswele. Yes, awunakho konke ofisa ukuthi ube nakho. But don't attract ukuhlupheka. Khuluma ngomlomo wakho ukuthi thanks God for that wonderful house ozonginikeza yona. Ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu ngalama tiles ozonginikeza wona. Noma ngaba wazi ukuthi uzowathola kanjani lawo ma tiles. Ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngizokwazi kuba nemali yokuhambisa abantwana bami eholidini, ngizokwazi ukuhambisa abantwana bami ebeach, even if you don't know how it's going to come about. And I'm a witness of that, colleagues, my counselors, my leaders. Kube khona isikhathi ngithi aye esiqhameni omunye athi member sengikhipha 20 rand wokugcina, cela ukusho ukuthi ayisekhe. Ngithi it's fine. I would think it's fine because it's fine. But I'm saying it's fine because I know you know, when we are planning for this function, you don't know what to go through. Thank you, Tim Copter, for standing up for this crazy woman in me. Even as late as yesterday, even as late as Itangi, I was still saying, angeke nje ukuthi singahlala ematafuleni angena kudla. Siyabantu besifazane siyayithandela ukudla. Siyawathanda amaswidi. Futhi ngeke nje nisibizele ukuthi nje ningasiniki lutho. Siyayithanda izinto. Siyayithanda abantu. Yabo? Ngeke siyayithanda izinto. So but we did not know ukuthi sokwenza kanjani because uhulumeni uthi akanamali. So we had to phone around, even today, okunye was still coming in today. I hope amaswidi amanye afikile today, ne? Yeah, there you go. That's the spirit. Because we are blessed. Because we are creative. Because we are prosperous. Because we are victorious. Because we are talented. Because we have God's favor. We have God's favor, but besifazane asikusho lokho ukuthi we have God's favor. We have God's favor. We have God's favor. We are blessed. We are wise. We are strong. We are attractive. We are beautiful. And we must hamba kanjalo and meditate. And sometimes after saying those words, keep quiet and listen to God giving you answers. And listen to God doing His work through you. Uzobona izinto ezizokwenzeka. So from namhlanje indaba zomaya iyahlupheka. Ha bayangizonda. Let them zonda you, it's fine. Oze bayeke. Ngeke balunge ngoba wena you are made from the image of God. You must understand that. You are not a mistake lapho khona. Awukwenzanga ngoba uhlakaniphile ukuthi ukhethwe ngoba uze ube lapho khona. No. awukwenzanga ngokuthi uphushe ngokuthi wenza, but it was God's work. uNkulunkulu okwenzile. So ungeze umuntu akukhohlisa ukuthi sikuvotele. Yes, sikuvotele, it's fine. Ungivotele because uNkulunkulu uthe ngivotele. Angithi. So uNkulunkulu usebenza through thina abantu sila endlini. That's why I was saying, omama abaningi abala endlini. Khona amatafula amaningi ngekungabale bonke Mary Ann, Mamfuneka, Sisizakele, Siswami, and a lot of others. I'm where I am, I'm still standing. Lela matafula wama Copta, this crazy woman that I am, they stand up for me. I'm standing because of these women who support me, who love me, and I love them back. If you don't love me, I would not be what I am today. So asimthando omunye umuntu wesifazane. Muthande omunye umuntu wesifazane. Zama ukuthi umuntu wesifazane umbone njengomuntu okuyena ngelinye ilanga ozokusupporta akwenze ukuthi ube umuntu ophilayo. Asingabukelani phansi singabantu besifazane because we are blessed. Angithi? Akasekho Sis Colette. Oh, God. She's one of those people that makes me strong. I love her. Yamthanda. Ekuseni when I wake up ngisayogeza ngayithenga ku-iTunes ngiyayidlala because that's what I'm attracting. I'm meditating. I'm asking God for guidance. I'm asking all the positive to come to me, to help me through, to make you, all of you, ukuthi uNkulunkulu anisize, anikhuthaze, aneze nibe yilokhu enifuna ukuba yikhona. Whatever dream you might think it's crazy. I mean, Jacinta, when she did that thing, I was like, whoa, I've never done that. And look at this baby, she's doing so much. But it's because that's what the seed Nkulunkulu has planted on her, and don't want to be her. You cannot be her. You cannot be Jacinta. You cannot be no. No is no. Because Nkulunkulu put what she put on Mo as her. For you, Ogwapo is to support her, is to love her, because awazi mhlambe kuzofika nakuwena. But uma une revenge, unomoya omubi, unomona, woe unto you, because ngeke umelane nomsebenzi kaNkulunkulu.